Welcome to Daily Insights, your source of bite-sized wisdom and transformative knowledge. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. I invite you to journey with me into a world brimming with enlightenment, where every moment is a golden opportunity to learn, grow, and view the world anew. Let us explore the marvels hidden in the fabric of daily life, transforming ordinary encounters into invaluable lessons. Whether you're seeking inspiration, a quick practical tip, or a profound exploration of life's most significant questions, Daily Insights is your gateway to true inspiration and discovery. Join me and let us illuminate the path to wisdom together. Today's message came to me all the way from Africa, from Kenya. My friend, Mrs. Jessica Masika, asked me to speak about unearthing potential, nurturing the seeds of greatness. And what a topic! In the very essence of our being lies a potent force. It is called a seed of greatness. This seed is not a distant myth. It is a living part of you, of me. It is our untapped potential, our dreams, and our capabilities that are waiting to be realized. But how often do we let fear, doubt, or the monotony of everyday life bury this seed deep within us? You may ask, what is greatness? What is this seed of greatness? And how does it make a difference in my life? Well, first, let me say this. Greatness is not a one size fits all concept. It is deeply personal and uniquely defined by each individual. It could mean reaching the pinnacle of your professional career, impacting your community positively, or achieving personal satisfaction and contentment. But regardless of the definition, the path to greatness shares common ground. Nurturing your seed with dedication, hard work, and an unwavering belief in your potential, all common ground. So, can we agree that the seed of greatness within us is not a myth? It is the living, breathing core of our potential, dreams, and capabilities, which often shrouded by the mundane veil of daily life are choked by the weeds of fear and doubt. I have some questions. I have some questions for you. When was the last time you paused and listened to that inner voice, whispering, what could be? When was the last time you dared to nurture that dream? Every one of us has a seed of greatness. Unfortunately, too often it lies dormant within, waiting for the right moment to sprout and grow. But what is this seed and how can it transform your life, you may ask? Have you ever felt a deep inner potential, sometimes unique only to you, but you're not sure how to unleash it? This seed within us is not just a privilege of the few. It is not. It is a universal gift. And yet, how many seeds go unplanted, potentials unrealized, because we hesitate to take that leap? Greatness doesn't just fall upon us, it is a choice we make. Yes, greatness is a choice we make, a path we take, and a challenge we rise to meet. You must do the work. The world remembers not the seeds that remain buried, but those that broke through the soil into the sunlight. Every monumental achievement sprouted from such a seed, not from the extraordinary, but from the ordinary that chose to defy the odds. Now I ask you, will today be the day you step into the light of your potential? Will today be the day you rise above the doubts, embrace the unknown, and join the ranks of those who have shaped our very existence? The seed of greatness within you is calling. It is yearning for the nourishment of action and the light of your courage. Choose to cultivate it, to let it grow. But remember, the path of greatness is not walked alone. So, as you rise, you lift those around you, becoming a beacon of hope and a testament to the power of belief and action. I ask you, what will you do today to tend to your seed of greatness? Will you let it remain buried, or will you give it the light it needs to grow? Will you tend to your seed of greatness, or will you let it wither in the shadows of hesitation? Well, the choice is yours. And it is a choice that defines you, your purpose, your very existence in life. Let today be the day you choose greatness. Let today be the day you choose to grow into your greatness. Let today be the day that you begin to nurture your seed of greatness. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.